Okay.
He did it.
Ducks are cute animals who love to swim. They have webbed feet which help them do it.
Ah, yes.
Wow! Hooray! Second egg. Let's see what's inside.
What's the big idea?
I'm very curious to what's inside. Are you?
Wow!
Cool.
Look at this iguana!
Oh.
Iguanas are cool reptiles. Has scaly skin. Wow! Very long tail. I like iguana.
Ah, yes.
Iguanas live in warm areas and love to bathe in the sun. So cool, right? Yeah! Want to pet it?
Hey,
Let's crack open the next one. Are you excited? Because we are.
Okay.
Come on! Turtles are slow and have hard shells, which protects them. And they like to swim and crawl.
Okay. Cool.
Ah, yes.
In this egg, there was a turtle, which likes swimming. Next one, are you excited?